Hello, and welcome to our tutorial on managing app permissions on your Android device. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to grant the Clubhouse app access to your phone's call features. This is essential for functionalities. First, locate the Clubhouse app icon on your Android device. Press and hold the icon until a menu appears. Next, tap on App Info from the menu options. Then, select Permissions from the list. Here, you'll see all the permissions the app has or hasn't been granted. Find and tap on Phone in the list. This permission allows the app to access your phone's call features. Finally, choose Allow to grant the necessary permission. This will enable Clubhouse to use your phone's call features as needed. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.